Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best kids luggage Germany that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Kids Basketball Suitcase Set by Homsky. This 5-piece luggage set is perfect for young sports enthusiasts, featuring a basketball-themed design that's as cool as it is functional. The set includes a 16-inch carry-on suitcase that meets airline requirements, a neck pillow, and a luggage tag, giving your child everything they need for their travel adventures. In terms of design and build quality, the suitcase boasts a lightweight yet sturdy hardshell exterior that can handle the bumps and scrapes of travel. The spinner wheels glide effortlessly in all directions, and the adjustable telescoping handle makes it easy for kids to maneuver. While it's compact, the suitcase offers enough space to pack essentials for a weekend trip or a short getaway. The additional neck pillow is a thoughtful touch, ensuring your child stays comfortable on long journeys. This suitcase set is ideal for boys aged 5 and up who want to explore with independence. While it earns a perfect 5.0 star customer rating, it's worth noting that it has fewer reviews compared to other products on this list, which may make some buyers hesitant. Overall, the Homsky Kids Basketball Suitcase Set offers durability and style, but ranks lower due to limited availability and fewer user ratings. At number 4, we have the Emissary 5-piece Kids Luggage Set, designed with young travelers in mind. This set features a charming heart-shaped design that's sure to delight little girls and toddlers. The package includes a rolling suitcase, a backpack, a plush travel pillow, and a matching luggage tag, making it a complete travel companion for your child. The design is both practical and eye-catching. The hardshell suitcase is waterproof and durable, ensuring that your child's belongings stay safe even in rough conditions. It also features smooth 360-degree spinner wheels and a telescoping handle, making it effortless for kids to pull or push. The interior offers plenty of space with compartments to keep items organized, while the backpack is perfect for carrying smaller essentials. The travel pillow is an added bonus, providing comfort during long trips. While this set is packed with features, its slightly higher weight and bulkier design compared to others on the list might make it less ideal for younger kids. Additionally, with a 4.5-star rating and fewer reviews than some competitors, it's not the top-rated option. However, its adorable design and the inclusion of accessories make it a great choice for girls who want to travel in style. Coming in at number 3 is the Nautica Kids Luggage in the Shark Attack design. This suitcase is perfect for young adventurers who want a stylish and functional travel companion. The hardshell construction is made from a blend of PC and ABS materials, offering a lightweight yet rugged design that protects your child's belongings from travel wear and tear. The standout feature here is the spacious 31-liter interior, which is larger than most kids' luggage options. It includes a mesh pocket for smaller items, ensuring everything stays organized. The multi-directional spinner wheels and adjustable aluminum telescoping handle make navigation through airports and train stations a breeze. The shark-themed graphics add a playful touch, making it a suitcase kids will be excited to show off. With a 4.7-star rating and positive customer feedback, this product is a reliable choice. However, its slightly higher weight and lack of additional accessories like a backpack or pillow put it at number 3. If you're looking for a durable, spacious, and stylish option for short or long trips, the Nautica Kids Luggage is a fantastic pick. At number 2, we have the Emissary Dinosaur Kids Luggage Set. This fun and functional option is perfect for boys who love dinosaurs. With a vibrant design that stands out in a crowd, the 18-inch hardshell suitcase is built to withstand the rigors of travel, ensuring your child's belongings stay safe during the journey. The suitcase features multi-directional spinner wheels and an adjustable telescoping handle, allowing kids to navigate airports and hotels with ease. Inside, the 26-liter capacity provides ample room for packing, with pockets and straps to keep items secure. The hardshell exterior is easy to clean, making it a practical choice for young travelers who might encounter spills or messes. This luggage set has a solid 4.5-star rating and is well loved by parents for its durability and design. However, unlike some other options, it doesn't include additional accessories like a backpack or travel pillow. Despite this, the Emissary Dinosaur Kids Luggage Set is a fantastic choice for boys who want a suitcase that's both fun and functional. And finally, taking the #1 spot is the Travelers Club 5-piece kids luggage set in the Cars design. This set is the ultimate travel companion for kids, offering everything they need in one convenient package. It includes an 18-inch Hardside carry-on suitcase, a 15-inch backpack, a 10-inch lunch bag, a neck pillow, and a luggage tag, all for an affordable price of $69. The suitcase is designed with durability and ease of use in mind, featuring a lightweight hardshell construction, smooth rolling wheels, and a telescoping handle. The vibrant car-themed design is sure to delight young travelers, and the matching accessories make packing and organizing simple. With a total capacity of 18 liters, this set is perfect for short trips or weekend getaways. Boasting a 4.7-star rating from over 6,000 reviews, this set is a favorite among parents and kids alike. Its combination of affordability, functionality, and style makes it the best overall choice on our list. Whether you're planning a family vacation or a quick overnight trip, the Travelers Club 5-piece kids luggage set is a reliable and fun option for children age 6 and up. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.